Alright guys, today I'm going to show you a Technic Jeep. I think this is really cool because it is really hard. See? Pick it up, still in one piece. And right here there is a hook that can come out. You can just pull it back in by twisting this. And it opens. There is about enough space to fit a minifigure in there. And it drives on its own. You just put it on the edge. You pull it back. You let it go. As you can see, it is very sturdy, still in one piece. This set is a very good set, and I do recommend that you should get it. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.